Let's create a folder, routes. Here all routing, get, post, all function will be placed. Let's create main.js file. Here we need to export few function. Let's cut this piece of code and paste it here. And here need to write module export so that we can export this function in server.js file. Module.exports equal function. This app belongs to Express. We will pass from server.js. Let's cut and paste it here. Let's get this file function from this server.js. So need to specify the require the main.js file, current directory / main routes folder / main. Then need to pass the Express object app. So we can refresh this page, results are the same. So that function can be called from other file, main.js. Let's create a new folder, views. Here all view pages, HTML file with EJS code will be placed. Let's create a new folder here. This is pins, enter. So pins folder already created. Let's create a new file, layout. This is the master page we will be using for this application, layout.ejs. The extension is EJS because we will write EJS code, JavaScript code we will write. Create a new file. Here index page. Here all pin list will be displayed. We'll write code later. Let's download Bootstrap template. Search Bootstrap, go to the first link and need to click examples, scrolling down, and here need to click hello world. This template we will be using. View page source. Let's copy all the code and paste in here, index.exec file. We need to place in layout file actually. Anyway, we need to redirect to the pins / index page. This page actually. So save and run it. Let's see what we will get. Without CSS, the page looks like this. Need to apply the Bootstrap CSS. Actually, we didn't download the Bootstrap CSS and .js file. What we can do, we need to download a source of CDN, Bootstrap CDN. So go to this link and get the Bootstrap source link, and this JS file will place here so that it can download from the CDN server. These two keys we don't need, and scroll up. We don't need this icon. Here we need Bootstrap main.css. Let's copy this path and paste it here. let's see. Here now everything is just like same as what we saw in the Bootstrap template page. So looks nice. Let's place this whole HTML code from index.egs file, Control All, select and paste it here. Layout.egs file already pasted. So here is the main container. We can see we already cut this main container and delete everything and paste just the main container in the index page. Let's specify layout at the top of this index.egs file so that master page will be invoked automatically. Layout bracket and the file name is layout. So this is the small portion. Here we want to show that partial portion of index.egs file HTML tag here inside this master page. So here body render section, body will be rendered, refresh, same. So everything is okay. We no need this HTML code, as here we need pins list to display. Let's refresh this page. Top navigation bar is okay, but we can't see the Pinterest list.